how to turn on or turn off text call for phone app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, click on text call. So if you want to turn on or turn off text call, so if you want to turn off text call, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see text call is turned off. So if you want to turn on text call, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see text call is turned on. So you will turn on or turn off text call from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off text call for phone app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.